because it is extracting the
क्या
grade
टेक्निकल केस का
501 GE 501 A and B.
501
A and B.
A/B.
So same unit stop
Yeah.
and corresponding 401
Yeah.
we will close.
GE 501 A/B. That's okay. Okay, guys, before we go for the tea break.
Please explain then, na, what is done.
Yeah. So what in this PNID, we have taken all the causes of no flow and high level here. So we have taken high level in this. We have taken if this screen is stopped. We have taken this screw is stopped, and we have taken high level here because the LSHH is here, and we have also considered this GE501A. Now I'm pending with this one. What is this K? What is this one?
Vacuum pump.
Vacuum pump.
Vacuum.
Okay, if this trips, so what?
Grease from
And this is the flow of the grease. Yeah, so then it effect will be the quality.
Quality,
It will
yes.
affect the quality.
A501A.
Effect. Consequences are more.
A501A. Only one pump. Huh?
only one is there. If it is
You have
real,
written by.
effect is the quality of water, and action is stop the unit, shift to the bypass.
So you should have the alarm method.
Yeah.
Yeah. Quality.
Because if you have the alarm in this, oil will go to MBR.
Yeah. I will take one alarm. So guys, can you please help me saying that you have any alarm here if this trips drawer fan?
Only normal pressure indicator.
Now pressure indicator is in the plant. I want in the control room.
No.
So how do I come to know? Because my operator will never go and see.
And if oil will go there.
Yeah.
Then